Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to design a recipe ebook cover in Canva. So if you want to write this recipe ebook and you're looking to designing an interesting cover or an exciting, graphically appealing cover for that ebook, this is exactly what you can do right here in Canva. I'm going to show you two ways to start creating your design. The first way is to design from scratch, and you go about that by clicking on this create a design button at the top right corner of your screen. And then the second way is by using templates. So when you browse a wide array of templates, it has this way of facilitating your creative processes, and spurring that creative genius from your inside. So here's where you can get the templates at the mid left corner of your screen. So click on template and it's going to take you to the world of templates. And once we get in here, I'm going to show you what to do next step is to be very sincere with Canva. Now you have to let Canva in on the specifics, because if you don't detail what you need, you just get general ideas that are just, I'm sure you understand what I'm saying. All right, so head over to the top right corner. We have search thousands of templates. In the search tab, now right here we're going to type recipe. Oh, apologize for the cup look. So this cups always like embarrassing me. Recipe ebook cover. Punch the enter button and you're gonna be surprised what you're gonna see. Ta-da! But before you get super excited at all these beautiful designs, I'd like you to know that the best designs on Canva need to be paid for. Ouch. Yeah, it means some of the designs we have this pro thing labeled. It means you have to click on try Canva Pro to subscribe to the premium version. But I got good news for you. Some of the really nice designs are for free, and you can tweak it to what you want to get the best design of your choice. I'm going to show you how to do that. Like this first design, I like this design for a very beautiful cover. It's very simple and sweet, so don't really want to stress myself. And yeah, even more like this, so you can even scroll down for you to get more of it. But then I just really want to stick to this, so click on customize this template and it's going to take you to the editing suite. Here is where all your designs are manipulated to give you the design of your dream. Forgive my use of manipulation, please. All right, so here you go. All my elements are loading up. I'm going to show you how to use each of them to get the best. The first step is to take your eyes right down to the bottom of your screen where you have the slider. Now, what's a slider for? It's not for fancy, right? If you move the slider backward, it means you're zooming out, and then if you take it forward, it means you're zooming in. Now, because I want to edit and I want to see all my elements in my design very clearly, all I need to do is to move it forward to where I want it to be so that I can edit firmly. Now we have different elements right here in this design. We have the text and we have a picture. All right, and then we have a background. So here the picture is not clickable because it comes with the entire background. So it means if we're changing this, we're going to change the entire background. So I'm going to show you how you can tweak this text to what you want and then change the picture, and then we have the best thing that we want, at least something that we can use. Okay, so for here, yeah, we have an author, international best-selling author. Would you like to use that, or would you like to leave that? But if you want to change this, just double click right here and you see it highlights. So the next thing I'm going to do is New York. New York bestseller, that's fine. Healthy lifestyle. So what do we want to do? Oh, okay. Healthy lifestyle, or let's use eat healthy. So I'm gonna like highlight this by double clicking on the left corner of your mouse. All right, and I'm gonna see eating healthy as the title of my recipe book. So that goes. Now you can also change the font by clicking on here. This font is Lavalo, so you can change the font to something else if you do not like how Lavalo looks. So let's see, I want to change to Anton. Let's see how Anton looks like. No, eat it healthy. Is that fine? Let's use Proxima Nova. No, 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 no. Anton even seems pretty cool. All right, and but then I don't know if the whole thing is style, but please just let me use my capital letters in peace and tranquility. So here we go. So one thing I don't really like about, okay, there's something, and that this is like the name of the author. Let's change this to Amy Mac, because hey, we're gonna use A. Now, I don't like the color of the text, right? Because it's all in the face. Oh my god, it means I don't really have the right words to do. That's why I give that expression. It's not an English word. Okay, so here it means I have to like get rid of this entire background color. Yeah, I need to. So I'm gonna click on this background color and change it entirely. All right, so brr. So this is like brr. So let's get a picture to fill that in. No worries. I'm gonna click on elements, right? Because I have not I don't have any food related design in my phone, in my system rather, because I'm using a PC. All right, but then if I do, I would have clicked on upload and I'll just upload directly from my system folder. But now I'm in elements and I just want to click on food. Punch the enter button and it's going to take me to a wide array of elements that I can use. It's loading up. So I'm heading all the way to photos because I want to use photos. All right, and just want to use, or let me check graphics to see if I can use graphics. No, 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 no. Graphics looks quite natural. Unnatural. So this photos are just labeled pro, 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 pro. I'm just gonna get something that is not pro, and that is this bowl of I'm a foodie. I'm not a foodie, please. So I'm just gonna click on this, like left click, and then the picture pops. So here I have a picture, all right, and I want to see what I can do to like make this whole thing sum up. So I'm just gonna click on more and see align to page, middle. No, that's not the element I'm looking for. Okay, this is a layer, right? Hmm. All right. Okay. Okay, so here's it. So I'm just going to have to like move this and see how I can fit this to screen. All right, so I want to fit it to screen so it can cover like a good part of it. No, because it's a book. Let's see where this is going to come from. So no, 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 no. I don't think I like that. So I'm gonna move this again. I'm going to move it from here so I don't have to like crop out the necessary part. I don't like to say that it's really like it's distinguished. So I'm just gonna so I double clicked right there for smart cropping, and then you have the eat healthy. Something doesn't just really go well with this design. I'm gonna click on the background again and see if I can change the color of the background to the photo color. I think this is better. Let's find other colors. Green. I'm very biased against green. Like very, very biased against green. I think this works well. It's literally book cover, so maybe let's go with this. I'm taking it downward a bit. And then this eating healthy. Maybe I'll need to increase. So it's eating healthy, increasing that size thingy. Okay. I think this whole thing is now making so much sense to me. All right. How does it look? Oh my god. Okay. Oh, let's do this. Okay. Keep editing until you are highly satisfied. Increase this. Just take it up a bit. Just a book cover like this. We like to buy. Oh my world. It doesn't really make so much sense to me, but I don't want the story to be really long. But this is really how you can manipulate things. All right, so you can manipulate fonts, manipulate pictures on Canva to get your desired design. All right, so but this is it. But I think this is pretty much a good cover, but you can definitely make it better. That's why you're the designer. All right, so the next thing you need to do is to click on the share button in the top right corner of your screen and head over to download. Download your cover. You can, of course, use a download option that is best for print because you need to print this, or if you don't want to print the ebook, you don't want to get a paperback, you can just, get this done and then put in your books and, put in the other pages of your books and you're good to go. So this is it. Go over the steps from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial